What's up, adventurers? One of our favorite brands is back with some new travel gear. Peak Design just launched their latest Kickstarter with 4 new bags. A 2-in-1 travel backpack where you can detach a day pack. Pretty cool. A travel backpack that's 20 liter. A travel weekender, which is like an elevated duffel. And a travel crossbody. Today we're going to be checking out the 20 liter travel backpack. Whether our trips are just for the weekend or for 2 weeks, I'm typically traveling with 1 backpack and 1 carry-on suitcase. I used to lean more towards camera backpacks just because we carried a lot of camera gear, but as we've slimmed down what we shoot with, I like kind of a more versatile backpack that's slim, but keeps me lightweight and organized. The 20 liter is their most compact travel backpack and one that I think will really fit into how I travel. This is my first time looking at this, so I'm excited to look at it with you, and I will report back after I use it as well. From the get-go, it looks like what we love and know about Peak Design. Good quality material, really thoughtful design, and just little details that make every day so much better. So let's start on the back. We have the straps. The straps are, first thing I notice is there's a magnet right here where this little badge is, so that when you're not using the strap, it actually rests right along the back with this magnet. Super nice, so it's not dangly. I hate when you're just trying to move the backpack around and this gets caught on stuff. This will keep it nice and tidy against there. There is a removable sternum strap here and a luggage pass-through. And Peak Design uses these kind of rotating hinges for the top of their strap, so it fits all different type of body shapes. There's a handle on the top, there's a handle on one side. There are also loops all throughout the bag, on the bottom, on the front, to where you can use accessories to strap things down to the outside, but I like that they keep it clean so that for someone like me who's not going to strap a bunch of stuff to it, it just looks nice. The outer material is 100% recyclable material that is weatherproof. They use a different material up here as opposed to the bottom that's a little more durable since it's going to be on the ground more. So let's start off with, okay, this is the expansion zipper. So right near the front, the backpack does expand. It gives you an additional 3 liters, so now you have a 23 liter bag as opposed to a 20 liter. Next to that, there is a water bottle holder. This is an interesting design. So rather than the external pocket that you could throw the water bottle in, it's a fully zippered section. Throwing a bottle in here is nice because you can zip it away and it keeps it nice and clean. No worry about it falling out. The one downside for me so far that I can see is that sometimes I like to throw a tripod into the water bottle holder and strap it in. But with this case, it won't be large enough for that. But we'll see. I'll start using it and see how I feel about that. All right, moving on. Let's look at this. Okay, so this is like a quick access pocket. So there is a little bit of organization. There's a couple pockets here. There's a little keyring holder, as well as an additional strap for the outside, and 2 in the front as well. None of the pockets are closed. They're just little pockets that you can organize your stuff in. But this is where you put anything you need easy and quick access to, the small items, keys, headphones, just anything I want handy. We talked about these loops up front. It does come with these straps that you can kind of put into any of the loops that you want. In this case, you know, you're able to do kind of an X pattern. So if you wanted to strap something to the front here, I can easily do that with both of these strapped in. I think all that's left is the main section. Okay, let's look at both sides here. We have a laptop compartment that stays against your back. I love that design for it. It fits up to a 16-inch laptop. And there's a small Velcro divider in here, maybe for files, papers, or you may want to keep an iPad a little bit separate. It's just thin nylon fabric in between the two. And then there is a Velcro to keep that laptop section secure. There's a stretchy zippered pocket here, this whole area. Now onto the main section. It is just an open area. Besides, you can see kind of where the water bottle sits here. I'll put that in there so that you can see how it fits into that main pocket. There you go. And you can just pack this as you see fit. I use packing cubes when I travel, so I would probably throw a couple packing cubes in here. Now, if this is more of my day pack, I may just use a couple smaller bags to organize my items, like a tech pouch or maybe one of the smaller packing cubes. There are also hooks inside here so that you can attach different Peak Design accessories like their camera cubes. This will fit a medium camera cube in the expanded mode. Oh, and Leo is interested in the backpack. What do you think, bud? Is it cat approved? Cat Ventures approved? I think as a day pack, I'm not sure that I like the clamshell design as much like this, just because I have to open it up all the way to really get full access to it. You can still access it this way, right? When you unzip just a bit and reach in and get what you need. It comes in 3 colors, sage, stone, and black. And since it's on Kickstarter right now, you do get additional discounts on it. So check out all the details there and let me know if you have any questions below. Thanks for joining me today and happy adventuring.